Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where food meets function and flavor. Today, I'm diving into a crunchy little superhero that's been hiding in plain sight: fermented red cabbage. Yep, it's more than just a funky-looking topping on your sandwich. It's gut-friendly, nutrient-rich, and shockingly easy to make at home. So, if you want better digestion, a boosted immune system, and a tasty, colorful side dish, stick around. Let's get into it. Let's break it down. What happens when you ferment red cabbage? Magic. Well, microbial magic. First, probiotics galore. Good bacteria like lactobacillus grow during fermentation. These help balance your gut microbiome. Think of it as your internal wellness squad. Next up, better digestion. Fiber plus probiotics equals a happy tummy. Less bloating, smoother digestion. You're welcome. It also supports your immune system. Did you know around 70% of your immune system is in your gut? When your gut's in shape, your whole body levels up. And don't forget the antioxidants. Red cabbage has anthocyanins, little warriors fighting inflammation and aging. And yes, it's still red after fermenting, just a bit sassier. You only need 3 things to start your fermentation adventure. Ready? Grab 1 medium red cabbage, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt, and a clean glass jar. Optional caraway seeds, garlic, or ginger if you're feeling fancy. But honestly, cabbage and salt are the MVPs. Now how do you do it? Step 1. Thinly slice the cabbage like you're making a crunchy coleslaw. Throw it in a bowl, add the salt, and massage it like you're coaxing it to relax. After about 10 minutes, it'll release its water. That's your brine. Step 2. Pack the cabbage tightly into your jar. Really push it down so it's fully submerged in its own juice. No juice? Add a little salt water. 1 teaspoon salt to 1 cup water. Step 3. Weigh it down and seal loosely. Use a clean weight or even a cabbage leaf to keep everything under the brine. Cover with a lid or cloth, but don't close it too tight. Step 4. Let it ferment. Leave it at room temperature, about 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 to 14 days. Check daily, press it down if needed, and taste test. Tangy, crunchy, boom, you're done. So there you have it. Fermented red cabbage, easy, delicious, and packed with health perks. Gut health, check. Flavor, check. Bragging rights, triple check. You don't need a special lab or chef hat to do this. Just some salt, a cabbage, and patience. This is self-care, but in crunchy purple form. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried fermenting anything before? Or are you about to start your purple probiotic journey today? All right, go forth and ferment. Your gut will thank you. See you next time.